The Plenary Assembly is a great moment for all the bishops to gather, to meet, because we are all spread out over Canada and we are living different realities. So that's the reason why there's a day during the Plenary Assembly when the French-speaking bishops meet, and also another time for the English-speaking bishops and our brothers from the Oriental Rite. Under the responsibility of the bishops, there's the Office of Family and Life, and during the Plenary Assembly, the members met, and we were very happy to welcome their report about an activity that was held during last spring about a conference on palliative care.
Last May in Toronto was held a very important event, an international and interfaith symposium on palliative care, entitled Towards a Narrative of Hope. This symposium gathered more than 110 participants coming from diverse backgrounds, from Canada, from the United States, from Europe. And together, they tried to find ways and strategies and tools to promote quality palliative care and palliative care accessible to all, especially to the sick and dying people in the poor countries. The participants try also to create a network of work and of exchanging, very good insights and ideas and projects in order to promote palliative care in Canada and also on an international point of view. And for the future action, a working group was established to, first of all, produce a statement, a declaration on palliative care, inspired by a beautiful message sent by Pope Francis, who encouraged the participants to persevere in their actions to promote quality palliative care based on true compassion, on love, and on respect for the dignity of the inherent dignity of each person. And also the working group is now establishing 3 subgroups to continue the action and the work in order to promote good and quality palliative care in Canada and on an international point of view.
We had an evening that was a reception to welcome new ordained bishops like Bishop Michael Brell from the Diocese of Pembroke, and it was a great opportunity for all the other Canadian bishops to meet with them.
I come from Toronto, born there, grew up there. Nice big Catholic family, 7 kids. Joined the Redemptorists in September 1974 and have been with them ever since. Served in Canada, in Newfoundland, in Sudbury, in Windsor, in St. John, New Brunswick. And so I know a little bit Eastern Canada better than the West. But then I was sent to Rome, elected Superior General, and I spent 13 years visiting all the places where Redemptorists work in the world. Came back looking forward to no responsibility on my shoulders, and started at St. Patrick's Church in downtown Toronto, the Shrine of Mother Perpetual Help. And then I received the call to accept to serve as the Bishop of Pembroke. This has been a very positive experience of the fraternity of the bishops, that they really listen to each other, they talk about things that matter, and they're good together. They like to be together. And so I've tried to enter into that spirit, and it hasn't been very difficult. But it feels very, very warm and welcoming to be among them.
We hope that all Canadian Catholics will keep us in their prayer and also the work of the bishops. And if you want to know more about any topics, please visit our website, cccb.ca.